Okay, in this example, what I'm going to do is show you how you use the ShowMeQR app to create an embedded printable code where you can attach to a device to show you how to use it. And it sounds complicated, but it's actually a very, very simple concept once you see it done one time. So, for example, I'm going to create a demonstration or explanation of how to change the battery in a common remote control. And you can do this for any task you want. And at the end of it, I'm going to put the code. I'll just tape it onto the back of here, so in the future, if I need to know how to change that battery, I simply scan the code with the app and it will show me how to do it. So it'll prompt me. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is shoot my video that explains the task that I'm trying to help somebody with. So to start with, I'll hit my camera button here. I'm using an Android device. You can use it on an Apple device as well if you want. And I will shoot my video. I'll hit record. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a common remote control. Simply flip it over, slide off the cover, take out the batteries, the old batteries, and pop in two new batteries. Put the flat end against the spring and push in. Take the next battery, flat end goes against the spring, and then simply lay the cover on here flat and slide it forward. There you have it. Okay, so I've filmed my video, and if I touch here on my device, if I wanted, I could play it back. There's my video. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a common remote control. Okay, so I have my, I've shot my video. Okay, now all I do is I open up my ShowMeQR Manager app, not the running app, that's for the end user. Open up the Manager app. This is for creating content. Type in here, I've already done it, but type in there change battery or whatever you wanted to do. You can password protect this task so that nobody else could go in there and edit it. And if I want, then I can play video. I can scan an existing code and add it to my list if I want, but anyway, I'll choose here upload video. There's the video that I just shot. I touch it. It comes up here, and I'm going to choose that one. Okay, so now it's been added to my task. If I want to see it, I can simply press play. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a common remote control. And then I hit stop. When I hit the green check mark, it saves it. And what it's doing at this moment, it's actually saving this task and all of its data to our cloud servers. So it's actually saving it wirelessly. So you have to have an internet connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or a cell, it doesn't matter. And if I touch here on the checkbox now, so I have my task change battery. I've uploaded a video. I've already done that. And if I want, I can put text descriptions on here too. So I might want to say, I'll say step 1. I'll make it simple, fast. I'll say remove cover. And then I'll say, I'll just say replace batteries. But you can be as detailed as you want. You can type it badly if you want, whatever you'd like to do. Okay, and then I'll just hit save. That's the green checkbox. Okay, so I have a description of my task. I've uploaded a video, and I've added a text description down here. I hit the green box, the green check mark, sorry. Saving task. At this moment, it is uploading that information to the internet, to our cloud service, and this is all included as part of the app. You don't have to send it up to YouTube or some fancy place. It's all part of the app. Okay, so that is saving it to the cloud, the video, the text, and the task. When it is finished, you'll see it flash, and then it will say, you'll see a small version of the code it's created. It says the show me code for this task has been created and saved in your picture gallery on your device, your phone or iPhone or pad or whatever you're using. Please open the picture gallery and print it from there. Okay, and there you see a little picture of what it created. It created a little code. It says right on it, change battery. I hit done. There in my list of tasks, I have change batteries listed. I simply touch on it. If I want to edit it, I simply click here. I can play it. There it is.
Okay, in this video.
Okay, so let's print off that code. So like it said, let's open up our picture gallery. So open up my gallery here. Again, I'm using this on an Android device, but if you're using it on a phone, just open up your folder for your pictures. And you'll see all the different codes I've created. And here's one that says right on it, change battery. So that's a unique code, and that code is embedded all the information we created about this lesson about how to change a battery on a remote. Very cool. To print that, you can just hit your printer button if you want. And so now I hit print, and now I can hear it. It's printing off. And when I have that code, I'll just show it to you. And then after I print that code off, I can attach it to the back of here or whatever spot I'd like to put it. Thereafter, I can take another device or the same device. As soon as I scan it, it will pop up with that task. So let me show you the code. This just came out of my printer. So let's check it out. So let's give it a test. So let's go back. We aren't going to use the manager anymore because we've already created that. Now let's suppose that I'm a user. Okay, now when I start my QR app, not my management, I start my QR app because I want to use it to reading codes. I need to log in. And we need to log in to the same username and password as I used with the manager, because these tasks are specific by user, so not everybody can watch everybody else's tasks, and you may want that for privacy reasons. So I'm going to type in my user, which is just, I'm going to use just a generic John Doe. And my password is, type that in. I'm logging in. Again, this is just for the QR app. This is the reader app. We'll call it the end user app. So it's logging in, it's downloading tasks. So what that's doing actually right now, it's actually downloading all the tasks associated with that username and ID, including the new one we just created called change battery. And you see there's 2 tasks in the bottom corner here. It says it's downloading 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. Okay, so if I touch here on my code reader, and I just come over here top of my scanner, boom, that quickly it's picked it up. You'll notice it says right here, there's the description I put in there, the text description of what to do. And if I touch here on the video,
Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a common remote control. Simply flip it over. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a...
How cool is that? So you can go anywhere you want, scan a code. Let's do that again. So again, just to show you, I'm running just a QR app, and that's my reader app, we'll call it. And all it does is scan codes and show you and explain what to do with that particular code. So I hold it up to a code, any QR code. It pops up the text description instantly, then you touch play.
Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to change...
That is an example of the power behind the ShowMeQR app and what it can do.